Hey everybody, it's Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars.com, Addison, Illinois. Just came up from the south, this 1962 Impala. Gorgeous red paint with custom red leather interior. It's pretty much true to form car. 327, automatic trans. This engine was built by a high-performance shop. I do have the information on our website at MGM Classic Cars. Vintage air has been installed. Real clean under the engine. Power front disc brakes, power steering car, aluminum radiator. Real nice, folks. Drives out real well. All your chrome and badging is done. All your felt underneath the hood. Sorry about that. That's why we call it live TV. That's what we do. Close this up for you. There you go. Look how beautiful she is. Great stance. See if we can find any paint flaws. Gaps out great. Couple little things here. Actually, no, it's a little tiny thing, but if you get off it, it's fine. Quarter panel, the door gaps out good. All your moldings seem to be good all the way throughout. A little tiny scratch here. Maybe buff out a little bit. All your glass and moldings are good. Weather stripping's good. Look how straight. Someone loved it. Trunk is in great shape. Spare tires there. Little jar of some parts, but look how clean this is. The weather stripping, pretty much original all the way through your quarters. Really nice. Back bumper's in good shape. Beautiful, beautiful back end, like we have to say. Great ass. Paint on the trunk is good. Pretty much all original. See how the catina's there? This is nice. I like keeping that stuff. Chrome around the back window's good, and the rooftop is good. Gaps out good. I didn't see anything really on the paint there, folks. Sport mirror, which is great. Antenna is showing. Like I said, it's got a great stance. Let's check out the interior. Look how nice this has been done. Quality work, it's nice. All your seat belts intact. 62 was not standard with seat belts. Headliner, everything, your dome lights are working. Vent windows, dashboard's beautiful. I love that old dash. Old steering wheel is original to the car. All your, look at all that. It was a red car. Sills are good. Look at all your moldings have been done. Nice car. All right, let's see what she does here. 12,457 miles. Gauges seem to be working correctly. Turn signals are working. Lights are working. Wipers are working. It's a nice car. Harder and harder to find this clean. The body's pretty much all original. Got a nice little cam, it sounds like, in there. Engine, when I drove it, I mean, this thing scoots. What it is, it goes. So nice and clean. A lot of nice car here. It's located at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois, 15 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. We've got over 260 cars in our warehouses. We do have special financing available with good credit, up to 180 months. We also have shipping all over the United States, bonded and insured, opened and enclosed to your door. All our pricing, as well as photos and video and description, is on our website. That's mgmclassiccars.com. If you have any questions, you could always text or call me at 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. That's 773-600-0919. We are open to the public by appointment Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday from 10 to 2. You could text me or call me and I'll get you in so you could spend some time looking and bringing your dream home to your garage. Please like us on Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for spending a few moments on this 62. It's really a nice Impala, drives out well. If you have any questions, give us a shout. Thanks, folks.